campus solution for the Slovak University of Technology in Bratislava. The faculty has 4 entrances and 2 of them have an open car park. The other 2 entrances are narrow and small. Although the courtyard area is narrow, it is aimed to create a circulation area between these entrances. The entrance, which has a parking lot and is close to the bus stops, has been determined as the main entrance to increase the interest. It is planned to widen the narrow study area by demolishing the existing laboratory building in the courtyard. Instead of this building, it is planned to add an innovative research center and rector's offices that needed larger spaces in the program. The innovative research center, presentation center, and coffee area stand out as the focal points. The buildings and the other elements to be built in the courtyard should make the courtyard interesting because of the height of the faculty buildings and concealing the courtyard when viewed from the outside. Faculty buildings are generally made of concrete, rectangular, and massive. These existing buildings add dullness and stagnation to the environment. Because it is far from any creativity and also because the city receives a lot of precipitation and temperature differences are evident, structures made with different facades, technologies and materials are designed and applied. A ramp, green roof, aluminum composite panel coating, and inner courtyards and seeking gardens to add dynamism to the courtyard, but not to completely spoil the texture. Thus, the presentation center building with double-glass facade systems, the innovative research building with a ramp, green roof and aluminum composite panel facade, and the rectorate building with an inner court were all dissolved. At the same time, these research centers will be connected to the rectorate administrative offices requested by the competition. Our conceptual idea is dynamism of wave. The concept design was inspired by Danube River, which contributes to tourism to city of Bratislava, passes through 10 countries and many cities, and is also Europe's second largest river. The Danube River is divided into many branches in terms of its characteristics, and these branches are transferred to the main body of the river by wandering again and integrity is achieved. The river is in an area that contains many cultures, is active and has circulation. The keywords are transparency for public, circulation between units, fluidity between cultures, dynamism of the lands. As conceptual elements, ramps, green roofs, inner courtyards, and seeking gardens for level differences were used. Here is a distant view of the site plan and the immediate surroundings of the land. Freedom Square is located in the southern part of the campus area, and this square attracts visitors as it is close to the Bratislava city center. In the northern part of the site, there are commercial and residential areas. For this reason, this field is also dynamic in terms of human movements. Here is the top view of the land, the main entrance of the area, and the buildings will be presented as respectively Information Center, Innovative Research Center, Rectorate Offices, Workshop Area, Multipurpose Spaces, Presentation Center, Library and Study Rooms, Coffee and Food Laboratories. And here is the conceptual element and ideas and how we reflect them to the site. Green roof system, sinking garden, ramp, inner courtyards, connections of the buildings, and aluminum composite panel. Here are the 3D photos of the renders. Entrance perspective, entrance area, coffee and information center, and backside of the coffee. Here is ramp of research center, library and presentation center, and multipurpose space. Innovative Research Center, workshop and multipurpose space, cafe perspective, thinking courtyard of the cafe. And here are some perspectives of the sites. Here is our conceptual idea. Here is the process of the development of our ideas. The conceptual keywords and elements. Then the descriptions of the River and how it affected our design. Here is the site plan which is colored. Here are floor plans, sections and elevations.